How to check watch history on X Twitter. Now, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a single step for you to be able to access your watch history or even watch them. The first is, of course, open up your X Twitter application and make sure just you're using the latest version so you will not encounter any types of glitches or troubles while using the app. So unfortunately, there is no immediate option for you to check out what are the recent history that you watch or you posted, anything that you made on this account on X Twitter. But alternatively, is what you can do is go into your profile picture at the top left, and here just go to settings and privacy below settings and support. Now you should be able to see a lot of options here. So as you can see, there is no immediate option as to search for watch history. Now just go into the option here that says your account, and then you should see four options here. Now what you can do is to choose on the third one, which is going to be to download and archive your data. This includes all the posts you made, all the shares, tags, and so on and so forth. This also includes the videos that you watch, basically. Tap on download and archive your data, and you will be asked to input your password again. And once you fully downloaded it, this is where you can access it. Open up your file manager once the download is completed, and then just go into downloads. And that's it. That's how you track watch history on X Twitter.